Welcome to my layout, and it's a very Scottish day with both the West Highland Railway coaches being pulled by a traditional Black 5. This is actually a 6-car set, but I'm missing a coupling for the 6th car, and the Caledonian Railway single is pulling a 5-car set, although there is a 6th one, but it struggles a little bit to pull the 6. It's having to travel at a fair rate because it needs to have a little bit of more weight, as you can see on the local. Spins a little bit, and these coaches tend to derail easily because they're pretty light, and both beautiful sets, great colouring, the liveries are fantastic, and the West Highland coaches have been finished with passengers inside. These were specially made, and I bought them from the guy who painted them and converted them. But both of these look fantastic. I don't think you'll see too many Scottish trains on many layouts, and this is definitely very unique. This one might be coming down from my leg down to Glasgow or Inverness. And today you can take this locomotive pulling these coaches if you check your calendar and get the timing correct. The other thing about these coaches are the wheels. I think for the most part these are original wheels, and Triang wheels, as you know, don't run that well on Pico 100. So that's something I would have to go through and fix. As you can hear it rumbling across that. Oh. So, typical example, the coaches are very light, and any little bump will cause them to jiggle and fall off the track. A little bit of slippage going on here, but as soon as you put a little bit of pressure on the local, it will get it moving. But once again, another bogey's come off the track a bit. There's a culprit right there. It's unfortunate that the out of gauge wheels on these coaches repeatedly spoil the running. They're just beautiful to look at, and it would be nice if they were just flawless, which unfortunately, as you can see, a little bit of rumble here and there, and especially when it goes over a bad point. Or in this case it stops on the point here. Have to get a fix on that. But you have to admit beautiful set. So I hope you enjoyed this little running session, unique Scottish one. Bye for now.